So in this video, I'm going to show you why people are sometimes selling Dollar Tree, Dollar General, and some items like that. You know, those low-cost items that are $1, $1.50, maybe $2, and you see them on Amazon when you go into the store and you scan it and you're like $6.20 or $7. How can they sell it for that and make a profit? And then you do that little Amazon calculator and it comes back as you're losing money. Well, I'm going to explain to you why that could be, and as Amazon sellers, how this can help you save hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month on your Amazon fees. So stay tuned. Hey, it's Shay, the Rise and Grind Picker, and welcome back to another video. You might be wondering why I'm holding the Amazon package, and we'll get to that in a little bit. So what I need you to do before this video starts is like, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And this is probably going to intrigue you, so comment down below on the video what you think and if you have any ideas to weigh in on this topic. So I agree, as an Amazon seller myself, it's not only frustrating, but sometimes disheartening when you walk into a store like Dollar Tree and you find a really good product on the shelf for $1, and just so happens it's like a maybe 500 to 1,000, 2,000 ranking grocery, because believe it or not, a lot of Dollar Tree items are really good ranks on Amazon and they sell a lot of times per month. And it's disheartening when you scan that item and you find out you can't make money. Well, a lot of people that sell volume and as well as sell these products understand one thing: you can actually save money on Amazon fees. And most people don't know that. I would say maybe 70 to 80% of Amazon sellers don't realize that. If you guessed the Amazon Small and Light program, then you're 100% correct. So basically what it is the Amazon Small and Light program. You enroll in it and you enroll your products in it, and that decreased cost and fees actually helps you pass along a better price to your customer. Now, obviously, I'm going to go over what qualifies items for Small and Light and how to enroll in it. It's really easy. You just go to Google and type in Amazon Small and Light, and all the stuff about it comes up on it on Google. And then on your Amazon seller accounts, I believe if you just over in that search bar type in Small and Light or Amazon Small and Light, it'll come up with a bunch of articles and a bunch of stuff that you could actually look up, and it'll take you into the enrollment process. So here is the steps to enroll if you're interested in this program. You have to sell on Amazon and you have to fulfill your items FBA. That's the first qualification. And you cannot merchant fulfill through Small and Light. Step number 2, select the items that you want to enroll in Small and Light if they qualify. And if they don't qualify, well, you may not know that, but we're going to actually go over how you can tell if items qualify or not. Because if you're in the store and you know that they're going to qualify, then you're good. If you go to Google and just type in Amazon Small and Light, there is a web page that you can go to. I think it's like the first one or the second one, and that's the one that you can look up all the information on. It's an Amazon web page, and that third step is literally going to be where it just says enroll in Small and Light, and it takes you to view the enrollment guide. Now, here is the catch. There's always a catch, right? Exactly. So, step number 4, ship it to Amazon. Ship it into FBA, but you must have at least 24 items to ship in, and they have to be prepped and everything. So, you have to ship minimum of 24 items of one product every time you ship and every time you enroll a item into small and light. And here's the other thing. Items that don't sell well, you can't get them into the small and light program. The item has to sell 25 times or more in a rolling 4 weeks or it's not eligible. So it just has to have a good rank. Look at the rank. If it's in grocery, if it's in, look at grocery, 1 million ASINs. If it's 2,000-3,000 in grocery, it's a home run. It's going to qualify no matter what because those sell thousands of times a month. So you're probably asking yourself while watching this video, Shane, how the heck do I know if an item qualifies for small and light? How do I know that? If I'm in a retail store and I scan an item, how am I going to know it qualifies before I even buy it? Now, don't forget, if you're selling in other markets besides the United States on Amazon, they have different qualifications. This is just strictly for the United States Amazon.com market. So the difference in the small and light program is that your minimum FBA fee is around $4.25, and the small and light program goes by weight and size. What you really want to figure out is how much is it really going to save you? So there's 2 tiers to the small and light program. There's 4 ounces or less, or there's 4 to 10 ounces. Keep in mind, on the size of the item, it can't be over 16 by 9 by 4. It has to be 16 by 9 by 4 inches in dimensions or less. That's the item that you're going to ship in. So if it's over that, you can't ship it in or use it for the small and light program. The fulfillment on the small and light program. Here's kind of the breakdown. For the 4 ounces or less, you're looking at about $1.97 in fees. Now, if it's 10 ounces, it's around the 4 ounce to 10 ounce margins, you're looking at about $2.39 in fees. So you're cutting your fees literally in half. Since your normal FBA fee, the minimum FBA fee is around $4.25, that's how people can go to Dollar Tree and pick up a super light item and sell it at a profit when you run the calculator on Amazon FBA and realize you can't profit on it. It's because their fees on most of those items, they're going to be less than 4 ounces. So they're around $1.97, and you're paying $3 more for the minimum FBA fee. So if you can take a Dollar Tree item or a Dollar General item and buy it for $1 and make $3 on it, and you can sell 500 of those a month, that's going to be some pretty good profits. Now, if you get 20 items that are all the same, that are all in the small and light program, and you sell those items, all 20 of those, and you're selling anywhere from maybe 100 to 400 a month in volume in each of those items, the compounding profit really adds up and adds to your bottom line. Why I'm making this video is I want people to succeed, and I think that a lot of YouTube videos show the brawn, the guts, and the glory, and like the entertainment side. But this is where you have to be real with everybody that's an Amazon seller and say, hey, this is a way to save money. Most sellers don't know about it. But if you love this video, this is where it's going to be awesome for you. Because in the next week, I am going to be doing a small and light retail arbitrage series on my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is this small and light video I'm currently filming, I'm going to link into every Dollar Tree video. I'm also going to make a playlist for this series. If you want to find it, you can find it very easy down in my playlist. I'm going to link the playlist in the description, and I'm also going to link the website to the small and light program in the description as well, because I want it to be very easy for you to find this information. But I will say, in this series I'm going to do this week, I'll probably go 7 days a minimum. It might go 8, 9, 10 days. I just got to think of what all I want to show you, stuff to go over, and instructional videos just like this one, but also live RA videos. And I'm going to be showing you also RA products that sell super good, that also qualify for small and light. So if you want to take some of those products and sell them to get your feet wet, I'm not saying go deep, because if this video gets a lot of views, there's going to be a lot of people that jumps onto these listings, or any listing that I show. But if you buy, you know, like the minimum 25 or 24 and send it in and sell very quickly, most of those items have good ranks and they sell thousands of times a month. So you could just buy the minimum and send it in and get your feet wet and kind of get an idea of how it works, because I would rather have a product that, you know, is $1, and if I don't send it in right and I get charged extra, I would rather mess up on that product than a wholesale product that I register small and light and lose thousands of dollars. So you don't have to do that, but I'm also going to be showing you some products that sell good and that you can commingle them in the small and light program to save money. So I don't know. What do you think down in the comments? Comment down below just if you knew about the small and light program or you didn't know about it. And just tell me why. If you do know about it, tell me where you heard about it from. A lot of people do know this, but there's also a lot of Amazon sellers that do not know this. So I really appreciate all of you, and thank you for watching. And I can't wait to show you this series. It is going to be absolutely awesome. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video tomorrow.